where I know I should feel safe. My heart is breaking and this look on my face shouldn't look this way again.